As 2019 winds down, the government appears to be gearing up for the next general election. Speaking Friday at a function in Tivoli Gardens, West Kingston, Member of Parliament Desmond McKenzie urged his constituents to be prepared for the bell in 2020. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
Santa Claus showed up early for the residents in West Kingston on Friday in the form of their Member of Parliament Desmond McKenzie. Hundreds of people poured into the Tivoli Gardens Community Centre to get some of the merriment. And as they filled their bellies, Mr. McKenzie urged them to also digest this message.
I just putting you on notice. Aisle up your wheelchair. Those of you who have arthritis, we know you. So when the time comes and you hear what it is, you will be able to go out there to continue the tradition that you have started.
That tradition, he explained, residents of West Kingston being loyal to the Jamaica Labour Party for decades. And come next year,
we don't expect that is going to change anytime soon. And it is important because you are the foundation of this constituency.
But one thing that he promised will change in 2020 is the provision of more houses for residents. West Kingston is a constituency marked by dilapidated buildings and poor infrastructure. Mr. McKenzie admits that there is still work to do as the government transcends into election mood.
And the Prime Minister gave a commitment. And already, since he came, work is on the way to start to put more new houses in West Kingston for the benefit of the people of West Kingston.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.